Today we are doing ourselves vanilla extract. We're making some 8.5 ounce bottles of it. The bubbles in these bottles are sanitizer solution. So this isn't even water, it's not soap. It's able to be in there. It is actually Star San. It's a chemical sanitizer solution that you should probably use regarding pretty much any brewing, any fermentation. I'm pretty sure restaurants have to use that stuff when they're using their 3-step wash, rinse, sanitize. But today's recipe is pretty simple. We've got ourselves some Madagascar vanilla beans here. They're all vacuum sealed up. I have actually never seen a vanilla bean until now. This is my first time indulging in a vanilla bean. Got our little cutting board here. That's also been dipped in Star San. Same with our knife. Everything that's going to come in contact with what this is an extraction. So this is just pulling the oils out of the vanilla beans. So let's get this seal cracked. Oh, wow. So wow. I'm thinking per each bottle, we're going to want at least like 3 to 5 beans. Let's get some beans out here. Wow. This is crazy. I like I said, have never seen vanilla beans until now. Maybe bring one over to the camera. These things are pretty cool. So our goal here is with the knife to just split them down the center. You need a very sharp knife for this. And you're going to pierce the center. And you're gonna cut all the way down through. Trying to expose as much of the vanilla bean as possible without spilling it out. And you're gonna try and crack that open a little bit. That's perfect. We're gonna drop it in. There's one. Nice. And then we're gonna repeat the process. We're gonna speed this up for you guys. Grab our funnel, which has also been rinsed with Star San, and 80 proof vodka. Any vodka will work. I'm just using probably one of the cheaper ones that you get. I think it's only 1 time refined. But all we're gonna do now is just fill the bottle up with vodka. And I might need to get more vodka. And then once that's there, you'll just put the top on and lock it like that. Give it a little shaky shake so that all the vodka can coat the vanilla and the vanilla beans can start to get out. And that is how you make vanilla extract. Give it a couple months and it will turn that amber color that you want it to. And it's gonna look lovely. Look at all those vanilla beans particles just